So you want to make $10,000 every month, correct? Perhaps you've envisioned what it would be like to earn that much money and the freedom it would bring into your life. But right now you're thinking, which route to take to get there? Most individuals take the usual path. They go to school, study hard, attend college, acquire a job, and work their way up the career ladder. And while there's nothing wrong with that, it frequently falls short of providing the money and independence they seek. For many, the traditional way feels like a drudgery that prioritizes survival over accomplishment. But here's the thing. There's another method to reach $10,000 a month that doesn't require you to go the well-trodden path. This is not a get-rich-quick program. It's a new approach, a practical, strategic way to earn that incorporates freedom. In this video, I'll walk you through a 3-step process for earning $10,000 every month. This isn't about taking quick shortcuts. It's about creating something substantial and sustainable. So let us plunge in. Step 1. Consume. Before you can start earning, you must first learn. This isn't the kind of learning where you memorize facts you'll never use. Consider it similar to a video game in terms of resource harvesting. Imagine playing Minecraft. You don't just start with nothing. First, gather the appropriate materials. Knowledge and skills are real-world materials, and just like in a game, not all resources are appropriate for your intended build. First, select a high-paying skill. These are abilities that people are willing to pay a premium for, and they typically have low entry barriers. Some high-paying skills include video editing, web development, coding, sales, graphic design, copywriting, and social media management. The idea is to select one that you are naturally drawn to. If you enjoy video games, consider video editing or graphic design. If you've always enjoyed puzzles, coding could be a good fit. The greatest way to continue with something is to enjoy it, or at least have a strong interest in it. Let's assume you choose video editing. Instead of jumping right into the technical stuff, spend some time examining alternative approaches. Study popular YouTubers' editing techniques and what makes their videos engaging. Consider joining Reddit or Discord communities to connect with other editors or prospective creators. You'll rapidly learn what's popular, what clients desire, and which editing approaches pay the best. However, instead of binge-watching videos or reading countless articles, take action. I understand how easy it is to become overwhelmed by the amount of knowledge available, but try this instead. Study with purpose. Set short, concentrated goals such as, I will learn color grading this week, or I will master transitions this month. This method prevents you from feeling overwhelmed and provides you a sense of accomplishment. Also, don't rely on just one source. Find respected innovators or mentors in your sector and learn from a variety of perspectives. If you're learning to code, for example, watch some popular YouTubers, join a coding group, and read some books. A range of learning sources provides a larger, more adaptive skill set, just as a well-rounded selection of resources is superior to one in Minecraft. Step 2. Apply. After learning and developing your talents, it's time to apply them. Now is the time to put what you've learned into practice. This is where many people become stuck, waiting to feel ready. But here's a little secret. You won't feel prepared until you start doing. Assume you've spent a couple of months mastering video editing. You understand the fundamentals of editing software, have a keen eye for visuals, and are aware of the trendy styles on social media. Now is the time to begin your first project. It may be a simple gig, such as volunteering to edit videos for friends, local businesses, or even nonprofit organizations. Don't stress about getting it perfect at this point. This phase focuses on getting real-world experience. Assume you're creating a video for a local business. Perhaps it's a coffee establishment trying to sell a new beverage. As you edit, you'll discover things you couldn't learn from following YouTube tutorials, such as timing the video to match the background music or selecting pictures that best depict the cafe ambiance. Perhaps you'll even notice little flaws, like colors that don't stand out as much as they could or cuts that feel too choppy. That is part of the learning process. You will not discover these details unless you are actively doing the work. You'll improve over time, and once you're comfortable charging for your services, you can begin. Start at a low rate, perhaps $100 per project, and gradually increase it as your talents and reputation grow. The beauty of this is that with each endeavor, you improve your skills and confidence. The goal is not to be perfect right away, but to constantly learn, adapt, and improve with each endeavor. Step 3. Educate. Once you're skilled and confident, you've opened a whole new level of earning potential, teaching others. This is the key that has helped several new entrepreneurs reach the $10,000 per month level. You can develop an online course, provide one-on-one tutoring, or even start a YouTube channel to share what you know. Education is a thriving industry, and people are prepared to pay for the practical information you've worked hard to obtain. Example. Let's say you make a video editing course. You create it to educate newbies on the fundamentals, demonstrating all the abilities you wish someone had shown you earlier on. Set the price at $100. If you sell to 100 students, you'll earn $10,000. And here's the secret. You only need to build the course once, but you can keep selling it. The income is not based on hours worked, giving you more time to do what you enjoy, such as building your business, spending time with family, or exploring the world. However, it's not sufficient to simply create a course and hope people find it. You require an audience that trusts you. To gain that trust, you'll need to start offering valuable ideas and engaging with others who are interested in your expertise. Post tutorials, offer advice, and discuss real-world issues The impact principle. To keep your audience interested and expanding, I propose following what I term the impact principle. Inspire. Share your journey. Show people how you got from zero to where you are today. People are motivated by true stories, especially when they recognize themselves in yours. Message. Create a clear, memorable message that people will associate with you. Practical advice. Provide folks with immediate, actionable steps. The more they can apply your advice, the more they will appreciate your content. Authentic. Be honest with your audience. Share your problems, failures, and victories. Authenticity promotes connection. Engage with your community by responding to comments, asking questions, and starting a conversation. Timing. Stay relevant by publishing content that addresses current events, whether it's a trend in your sector or a prevalent problem others are experiencing. It's fine if you don't feel comfortable in front of the camera. There are numerous methods to convey your expertise without vlogging or hosting live sessions. Look at successful podcasters like Stephen Bartlett, who converted his enthusiasm for smart conversation into a lucrative show, Diary of a CEO, by inviting guests to share their stories and thoughts. Determine what works best for you, and focus on providing continuous, useful material. Wrapping up. So, are you going to remain on the old course, or are you willing to take this new path? This route to $10,000 per month doesn't require you to endure years of a 9-to-5 grind. It's about learning, applying, and then turning around to teach others who are just getting started. What's the best part? You are in control. This path is not about instant riches. It's about developing real abilities and applying them in ways that preserve your freedom. So start small, be consistent, and remember that each step brings you closer to your objective. If you're ready, this road can lead to not only financial freedom but also a more fulfilling life based on your passions and principles. So, what will it be? Stick with the tried and true method or try something new? The choice is yours.